Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Dini Meliana Putri with student ID 63240977 from class 632813. Today, I will be presenting the topic inside the computer and hardware. The first topic is inside the computer. What is a computer? A computer is a smart machine that can do lots of tasks automatically. It uses the CPU to process things and memory to store data. It also connects to input and output device, so we can use it easily. Let's look at the three main types of part in a computer. 1. Processing unit. These include the CPU, motherboard, RAM, and more. The CPU is the brain. It handles all the interaction. 2. Input unit. These are tools like the keyboard and mouse. They let us give commands to the computer. 3. Output unit. These show the result of what the computer does, like on the monitor or through speaker. Hardware component. 1. Computer case. This is the box that holds all the parts. It protects them and keeps everything organized and cool. 2. Motherboard. The motherboard connects all the main parts like the CPU, RAM, and expansion card so they can work together. 3. Microprocessor or CPU. The CPU is the brain of the computer. It does all the thinking and processing of data and command. 4. Power supply unit. The power supply unit gives power to all parts of the computer by changing electricity into the right form. 5. Hard disk drive. This is where your file, photo, and software are stored, even when the computer is turned off. 6. Case fan. This is a fan inside the case that keep the part cool so they don't overheat. 7. Expansion slot. These are empty slots on the motherboard where you can add extra card like a video or sound card. 8. RAM or random access memory. RAM is fast memory that stores data temporarily while you're working. When the power is off, it gets erased. 9. Mouse. The mouse lets you move the cursor on the screen and click on things. It's an input device. 10. Expansion card. An expansion card is a component that can be installed into the expansion slot on the motherboard to improve the computer function. 11. Video card. A video card handles the graphic. It's important for gaming, video editing, and design work. 12. Sound card. This card improves sound quality. It's useful if you want better audio from speaker or headphone. 13. Network card. A network card connects your computer to the internet or the computers using cable or Wi-Fi. 14. Bluetooth card or adapter. Bluetooth lets your computer connect to this wirelessly, like wireless headphone or a mouse. 15. Chipset. The chipset help the part inside the motherboard talk to each other and move data around. 16. Monitor. The monitors show what the computer is doing. Most monitors today are flat and wide. 17. Keyboard. The keyboard is how we type and give command. It's the main input tool for text. Okay, last conclusion. Why understanding this part matters? So every part in computer has its job. When they all work together, the computer runs well. Knowing this part can help you fix problem, upgrade your PC, or even build your own someday. Okay, topic 1 is finished. If you have any question, feel free to ask in the comment. Okay, now I'm going to talk about hardware. That means all the physical parts that help a computer work. What is hardware? Hardware means all the part of computer that you can touch and or see. This part help the computer do things like get input, process data, and give output. Some common hardware example are the CPU, RAM, mouse, keyboard, monitor, and printer. Function of hardware. What hardware does? 1. Processing data or information. The CPU and RAM work together to handle and process the data. 2. Receiving input. Device like the mouse and keyboard let us give commands to the computer. 3. Providing output. Monitor and printer show or print the result after processing. 4. Providing output. Hard drive and flash drive save file and programs so we can use them later. Type of hardware and example. 1. Input device. This help us enter data or commands into the computer. Example, mouse, keyboard, and scanner. 2. Output device. This show or print what the computer has done. Example, monitor, printer, LCD. 3. Processing device. This handle the data and control how the system work. Example, CPU, RAM, VGA. 4. Storage device. This keep all the data and files safe. Example, hard disk, flash disk, and optical disk. 5. Peripheral device. This help connect the computer to other things like networks. Example, modem. Last, conclusion. Why hardware is important? To sum up, hardware is very important because it makes the computer work. Without hardware, we won't be able to use computer to type, play games, or go online. So, we need to take care of our hardware to keep the computer working well. Thank you for listening. If you have any question, feel free to ask. Bye bye. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.